8 ways to preserve digital heritage for future generations. What if tomorrow, the internet forgot us? What if your photos vanished, your research disappeared, your nation's digital history erased with a single system failure? From clay tablets in ancient Mesopotamia to printed books in medieval libraries, humanity has always protected its knowledge. But today, our memory lives in servers, clouds, and code. Digital heritage is powerful, yet incredibly fragile. So how do we protect our digital world before it disappears? 8 ways to preserve digital heritage for future generations. Number 1. Digital archiving and repositories. The first line of defense is digital archiving. Trusted repositories, such as national libraries, university archives, and institutional collections, serve as guardians of our digital memory. By storing materials in stable, preservation-friendly formats like PDF/A, TIFF, and XML, we ensure that today's knowledge remains readable decades from now. Digital repositories are the modern vaults of civilization. Number 2. Migration and format updating. Technology evolves rapidly. Remember floppy disks? CDs? Migration is the process of moving data from outdated formats into modern systems before they become unreadable. Without migration, valuable information could become trapped inside obsolete technology, like a locked treasure chest with no key. Number 3. Redundancy and backup. Preservation means never relying on a single copy. Data should be stored in multiple locations, on-site servers, cloud platforms, and even international archives. Archivists follow a simple but powerful rule. Lots of copies keep stuff safe, because one disaster should never erase our collective memory. Number 4. Metadata and documentation. A file without context is just data. Metadata tells future generations who created it, when it was made, and how it can be used. Without proper documentation, digital objects become orphans, isolated, misunderstood, and eventually forgotten. Metadata gives digital heritage its identity. Number 5. Legal and policy frameworks. Preservation also requires protection through law. International frameworks like UNESCO's Charter on the Preservation of Digital Heritage call on governments to safeguard digital culture. Balanced copyright laws must protect creators, while ensuring long-term access for society. Because digital heritage belongs not just to today, but to tomorrow. Number 6. Community involvement and open access. Preserving digital heritage is not only the responsibility of institutions. Communities play a crucial role. Open access platforms, collaborative archives, and citizen archivists help safeguard cultural memory. When people share, digitize, and contribute knowledge, preservation becomes a global movement. Number 7. Technology and emulation. Some digital works depend on outdated software or hardware. Emulation recreates old environments on modern systems, allowing future generations to experience interactive media exactly as we once did. Preservation is not just about saving data. It's about preserving experience. Number 8. Education and awareness. And finally, education. Training librarians, archivists, and IT specialists in digital curation ensures continuity. Even individuals play a role by backing up family photos, organizing digital files, and preserving personal stories. Every digital footprint contributes to our shared heritage. Our digital heritage is the story of humanity in the 21st century. It holds our art, our science, our voices, and our dreams. By archiving, migrating, documenting, and sharing, we ensure this story will not fade into silence, but remain accessible, discoverable, and inspiring for centuries to come. Preserve today. Inspire tomorrow.